Well, I can't believe I'm actually buying for another hurricane. I haven't done this since '92 when Charlie was threatening our coast. So I've been to our local organic market, and as you can see, I'm stocking up on things that won't be perishable, like canned foods and rice crackers and healthy things, canned vegetables, but we're hoping it doesn't come here. But this is, let's see, what's today? Today's Tuesday, and right now it's looking like it could go up our coast, it could go up the east coast of Florida. We just don't know. So the market was unusually quiet. Right now I am getting out this little guy and charging it up. It is a portable charger. It's will charge my phone, my husband's phone. I also bought one for my husband at Christmas for a present. I haven't used mine yet, so I need to get out the directions and figure it out. This is the one I bought for myself. I bought his in black. If our car needs to be jumped, it's also got jumper cables that will work with this, and it has a flashlight on the end. So right now it's still Tuesday. We don't know what we're going to be doing. In '92, when Charlie was threatening our coast, they evacuated half the county, or part of the county I should say, and we opted not to leave because our section wasn't mandatory evacuation, and everything worked out. This time it looks like it could come directly here, so that's why I'm not quite sure what we're going to do. It's not supposed to come till this weekend, so we do have time, but we're being told some people have already left. The gas station that we normally go to was closed this morning. No gas left as of this morning, so my husband did get gas elsewhere, but so people are taking this seriously, especially after what we've all witnessed happened in Southeast Texas and Houston last week, and is still going on there. So
important, and we are absolutely devoting every state resource to addressing this. 3 tanker ships are delivering fuel to Port Tampa today for resupply efforts, each delivering 1.2 million gallons of fuel. State law enforcement continues to escort fuel supply trucks from Port of Tampa and Port Everglades. I cannot stress this enough. Do not ignore evacuation orders. Remember, we can rebuild your home. We cannot rebuild your life. Regardless of what coast you live on, be prepared to evacuate. Floridians on the west coast cannot be complacent. You saw the latest cone. It moved a little bit to the west. This is a life-threatening situation. The storm surge will rush in and could kill you. Think about it, 6 to 12 feet. That is taller than some homes. And it's going to rush in. You're not going to survive this if it happens. On evacuations, if you have been ordered to evacuate now, not in 2 or 3 hours, not in 10 hours, not tomorrow morning, now is the time to evacuate. If you live in an evacuation zone in these counties and have been ordered to evacuate, Lee, Hendry, Palm Beach, Broward, Miami-Dade, Monroe, or Collier County, you must evacuate by midnight tonight. Here's my biggest concern is a storm surge. And as you know, this track has moved a little bit west. And so the storm surge is increased on the southwest part of the state.
Naples, get the pillow, get the blanket, get the mattress, get yourself into that safe space that we've been telling you about for several days now. It is
getting an up-close look at the devastation following Hurricane Irma. And you see them now. These are pictures from just moments ago. So they started out in Fort Myers, now they're in Naples, and those are some of the areas along the west coast of Florida that were prepared to take so much of the brunt of this storm. And there was immense damage there, and now a lot of heat and a lot of power outage. Utilities are down. You know, things like the comforts that you can turn on your air conditioning and have water that you can actually drink out of the tap. Those types of things, these many days past the storm hitting, well, they're dealing with it all right now. And this is some 400 miles from where Irma first came ashore along the Keys, and you've seen the massive damage down there.